Hey y'all, today we are going to be trying out a new palette. You guys can see it on my eyes and in action, and we are going to talk. I will get into all that in the video. So if you guys are interested in the Profusion Nude Bliss, then I hope you subscribe and click that bell. Also, if you are new here, I want to let you know that we only use natural lighting here on my channel. I want you guys to see the colors as they are, not brighter. I want you guys to see my skin, no filters, everything's real here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's hop in. Bonus content, look who's loose, eating my rose bush. You guys couldn't see her good the other day, so here you go. She's legit ate that rose bush over and over and over. There's like nothing left of it. She loves her some roses. Girl, what are you doing? Girl, what are you doing? Why are you eating your mom's rose bush? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ooh, your dad's gonna be mad at you. She normally doesn't like Chuck too much. She gets very jealous where she thinks she's a dog. She gets really, really jealous of anyone giving Chuck attention. So yeah, but there you guys go. That is the girl. You got to see her up close. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up this face. Okay, so my husband is outside mowing right now. I hope you guys cannot hear too much of that. But I need to sit down and talk to you guys. So we're gonna start out with a new palette. Satisfying. So this is the Profusion Nude Bliss palette. Comes with a brush, and I think we can actually use this brush. Like, I think it'll be a really nice crease brush, or even if you wanted to cut crease. I like this. Let's do a couple swatches before we get started, so that way we can kind of see the direction we want to go. Ooh, that is so soft. I don't want to swatch all of these, but we'll swatch a few. Holy moly. That's beautiful. Oh, I'm also knocking stuff over. Some of them are a little bit chunky, but I think we can make it work. Let's look at this guy. Oh, that's a straight up glitter. Okay. Like literally a glitter. So it's not gonna swatch well. You're gonna have to use a glitter glue for that. But it is in there, and it is an option. Let's try another one. Ooh. Wow, that one's beautiful. I'm sorry these aren't the best swatches I've ever done. But wow, those are stunning. Did this one right here, that light one. These are just all beautiful, you guys. Like, I'm shocked. We're gonna start out with Heavenly right here. It's a light transition, or that's what we're gonna use it as anyway. I'm gonna put this in the very upper crease area and then blend it out. So you guys could probably tell by the description, if I decided to put it in there, that I am currently being tested for COVID-19. So I've been sick all week. Today is Thursday. I've been sick since Monday, or Sunday. Sorry, Sunday, yes. And I get strep a lot. You guys know that. I'm just using the same shade, just kind of building it up. And I felt like I had strep, so I called my doctor. They told me to come on down, that I could stay in my vehicle, be checked, be tested, all of that. I told him I didn't want to be checked for COVID. I didn't think that I had it, but I did want to be checked for strep. So they said that was fine, you know, come on down. Let me stop and show you what I'm doing really quickly. I'm going to go in with Siesta right here, and I'm going to use the brush that came with it. These are a little powdery, but not awful. Nothing you can't work with. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the actual crease. Oh, this shade is beautiful. Okay, so I get up there and she says that she wants to test me for flu, strep, and COVID. She said for sure, you know, just with the symptoms that I'm having, she wanted to just check. I am at higher risk. I have lots of underlying conditions, so she wanted to check, you know, better to be safe than sorry. So my flu and strep came back negative, so they had already tested me for COVID, and she was like, that's why, you know, we need to test you just to be sure. You guys, if you've ever been checked for flu, what we use here is like a flat paddle applicator that goes inside the nose. Well, for COVID, they're using, it's way bigger than the tip of this brush, and they're putting it like this far into your nose. Both sides, it's like freaking in here. It's craziness. The nurse who tested me, she was like, I know this is gonna feel like it's going into your brain. And I was like, yeah, like tears just rolling. I don't know, I guess where it was so far back in there. So yeah, I am currently being tested. The test results can take anywhere from 1 day to 7. So we're waiting to find out. I don't think I have it. I still don't feel good by all means, but I really think I have strep. When she took my strep test, my throat was so swollen she couldn't even get it in there properly. So I really think that's what I have, but we'll see. Let's go in with the next shade here. This is Outlaw. Hold that thought, I'm being summoned. I'm using the, oh, that's not a good one. He's so close now. I'm using the same profusion brush. Now I forgot what I was saying, but I'm putting this on the outer corner and taking it in just a smidge. But I guess it's better just to kind of be checked and know what's going on. So we will see. These shades are very pretty. They blend out very well. Like I'm having no issues at all. I'm gonna grab that first shade one more time and just make sure everything is blended the way that I want. Just run it right along the edges. I'm gonna take the lightest shade in the palette right here and use that for my brow bone. But yeah, I just wanted to sit down, talk to you guys, and kind of take my mind off of everything right now. So that's what we're doing today. All right, we're gonna go in with Studio right here. I've got that on the finger. And let's see what we've got. Definitely got too much on my finger, and I do have some fallout, but we can wipe that off. Oof, that is so pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of this one, and then I think a little bit of this one, just because they're so gorgeous. I want to use all of them. They're just so pretty, like you want to use 15 of them. I think that looks pretty dang good, you guys. Like, wow. I've got a decent amount, but I'm really gonna tap that off. And I'm gonna try to darken this very outer corner just a little bit. I've got a really small pencil brush, and I'm gonna mix Siesta and Outlaw. And I'm gonna run this right above where our shimmers are stopping, almost like a faux cut crease. Okay, I think this is where we are going to leave it. I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, try to replicate it. I used a lot of shades, so I don't really know, but I'm gonna try. And then we will be right back. Okay, we are back. Let's do this lower lash line. And you guys, we're not gonna talk about all these gray hairs. We're quarantined, and I am not going to box dye my hair. I'm not going to do it. I have taken an oath. My hairdresser will be incredibly mad at me if she has to try to fix it. So we are leaving the grays alone for now. But yeah, let's get to the lower lash line. I have Buxom Dolly lip gloss on, and then the full face I used Lorac Pro Soft Focus, same concealer, Benefit Hoola the darker Hoola, and Bare Minerals Joy Highlight. I honestly don't remember what blush I used. Oh, Laura Geller Sun Swept. And that is it. So let's see, what do I want to do on the lower lash? Oh, I have black liner on the lower inner rim. I'm going to take a small pencil brush and go in with Cozy, which is the darkest shade in the palette. I'm going to run that right along the lower lash, keeping it kind of tight, but not super, super tight in. I want to kind of smoke it out. Oh, I did a wing. Forgot to mention that to you guys. I did do a wing. I tried. They're not perfect. It is what it is. All right, I'm going to take a bit of tawny right here. Whew, that one was powdery. I'm going to run that right below our darker brown. I'm taking that right up by the wing as well. I think I want to keep it like this, kind of brown on the lower lash. Yes, that's what I want to do. Let me do that to my other side really quickly. I like it. I'm feeling it. Okay, let's throw some mascara on our lower lashes. I have this guy sitting here, so that's what we're gonna use. Done. Yes, you guys know I will keep you posted on the tests and all that, but this is our finished look. I like it. I think it is very springy, but it really adds some drama. I haven't done my eyes often, that's for sure. Like it's been really just kind of face focused for me and really like coverage, and I like this. I really like the way this turned out. Let's talk about this palette. For under $10, this palette is really, really good. I'm going to continue to use it. I will let you guys know if anything changes. The shimmers and metallics in here are stunning. The mattes blend well. They are a bit powdery and there is some kick up, but I don't mind it. I think it performs so good for a $10 palette. I was going to show you guys a couple other Profusion palettes, but I can't find them. So I do recommend this one. Yes, I mean, yes, it's good. But yeah, I do totally recommend this. If you guys are interested, I have a giveaway going on. I will link it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and I hope you are having a great day. I hope you are all staying well, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.